Today I am cooking Egyptian lentil soup. It is also a comfort food. In a pot, we'll add butter. Once butter will melt, we'll add garlic, onion and carrot and allow them to soften. Now we'll add soaked lentil and roast for a minute. Now we will add turmeric, paprika, cumin, salt and pepper. Mix everything together and continue stir for 2 to 3 minutes or until fragrant. Now we'll add tomato and cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until tomato turns soft. Now we'll pour hot water and bring it to boil. Reduce the heat on medium-low and cover to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Once lentils are cooked, switch off the flame and use blender to puree the soup. Garnish with coriander leaves, coconut milk and chili flakes. It tastes just delicious. Enjoy.